Hi and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you're all doing well and I'm so happy you're here. And so my darlings, here are our lilacs for 2024. I wanted to come out and show you them before it rains and they get wrecked. Oh my gosh, the smell. You can really smell them. Really gorgeous. Here's, bring it close. There's one there. They're just beautiful. I just wanted to show you. There's a plane going by. I don't know if we can get the plane. There's a plane. But I know you all love to see them, so here they are in their full glory. It's not like that one year we had though. The whole everything, it was just so lush. Over there. Lilacs 2024. So my darlings, Harvey's have come out with their summer drinks, and they're choose any flavor for $3 plus tax, just to remember. And I just wanted to share with you, here are the drinks. New frozen drinks. There's a frozen Red Bull that's watermelon strawberry flavored. There's a brisk lemon. There's a orange crush and a cream soda. And then there's this one here that's the hat trick shake. And my hubby came home with the hat trick shake for me to try. And I just wanted to do a little sort of a review and just show you the shake. So this is Harvey's new hat trick shake. This is what my hubby came home with. Now I did have like 3 or 4 sips of this. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what it looks like. Does it look like that? Where's the white topping? There's no white topping on there. I don't know, but this doesn't taste very good. There's a weird taste to it. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. This does not look like that. Does it look like that to you? There it is there. Those are the two of them together. And I don't know, it's got a weird taste. So my little review here for Harvey's new frozen summer drinks for $3 plus tax, out of 10, 10 being awesome and 1 being not great, or 10 out of, I would give this a 1 or 0. This is awful. This is not... I thought I was getting this, and this is what I got. And it looks orange, like I don't know, like it doesn't even, I don't know. So there's my little review. Let me know if you have tried any of these new Harvey's frozen drinks. The next one I want to try is this cream soda, because that's like my favorite pop. I love that, so I'd like to try that. But this one I have to give a thumbs down for this. Not good. Not good at all. Hubby has started some, what has he got here? Red peppers, yellow pepper, sorry, And then he's got some beans going on over here, I think. Yellow beans. I'm not sure what he's going to put in those yet. And then, I'm not sure what's there. But then he's got some stuff started here. These are lemon boy tomato. Let's see if we can. Oh, my camera's not gonna focus for you there. And that's the same over here. They're so that the tomatoes aren't acid, like the red tomatoes. Acid-like, I guess. So yeah. So there's our little gardens going on here. And then he's done a lot of better job. He took all the dead stuff out of there. Our peonies are here. And there's right here there's some more peonies. And I think these are like tiger lilies that are coming in there. They're like the orange ones. I could be wrong how to say it. But yeah. We got our little hosts out. I love those. And our hot tub. Here's one of my grandmother's bleeding heart bushes that we got. These are bleeding hearts, and they're white. You see those? Bleeding hearts. Are they pretty? I had a pink one outside my bedroom window growing up. I think other years so there was more. And what I'm showing you now is, I believe these are my hydrangeas are all coming up all the way down. I can't wait to see them. So my darlings, they got some rhubarb here. This is what rhubarb looks like. If you didn't know, you probably do. We picked it out back. And I'm going to try to make a rhubarb sauce out of it. So I just need to clean it, chop it, and I'll show you. So here's the 4 stalks just chopped up. You just wash it, just rinse them off, like clean them off, and then just chop it. And I'm going to put them in here with some water, and you just cook it down, and it makes a lovely little sauce. You might want to put some sugar and whatnot, but you can make rhubarb crisp out of this too. And if you have strawberries in the sauce would be awesome too, but I don't have any, sadly. So there they are. It's boiling. So you just want to make them soft, like into a sauce. I might have put a little bit too much water. Hopefully not. That's stinging. And you can smell the rhubarb. It smells so good. So there you go, my darlings. There is my rhubarb sauce. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's better than it looks, trust me. But there's the end result. So I got Pizza Hut delivered in my box. Let's see what's in the first box. Ooh, my little pizza. You get a pizza and a choice of fries or chicken bites. I got chicken bites for $10.99. And I also ordered just a regular fry as well. So there's my chicken bites that you get with it, the $10.99, and then the fries. What's extra? Good. Thank you, Pizza Hut. So my darlings, I made a another salad from my lunch, and I picked up the dill pickle chopped kit salad, and it's got a vegetable blend dill pickle with creamy dill pickle ranch dressing, except I didn't use the dressing this time. Here's my salad. I made a pretty big salad. I added some romaine lettuce, and I poured this over, some of this over top, and then a little bit of goat cheese, some orange pepper chopped, and some cucumbers, and I used a little bit of Caesar dressing. But this is, I don't know if I can open this up to show you. It's kind of like what it looks like in there. And then it came with some like croutons and a dressing. So, good. Can't wait to... No meat this time. Just kind of having it like a garden salad kind of thing. Thank you so much. That's it. I hope you enjoyed, and remember what I always say. Believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now, and thank you all so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'd love to have you. Till next time, toodaloo, bye, toodles.